Good day mga madam, available bag, Burberry tote bag. Ayan. Rank B po siya but still in good condition. In good condition. Let me show you the details mga madam. Handle still good. Ayan. And the side wala pang issue, no chismis. Walang dumi. Outside part still good condition. Side part like that. Yan. And the bottom still in good shape. Malinis pa po siya. Ayan. 20,000 yen. Ito. 8,000 plus in peso. Check natin. 20,000 yen. 8,800 in peso. And 152 dollar. And siya, malinis po yung loob. And for more details, just PM me, or for more for more details, just PM me. Yeah. Yan ang item for today available. And handle still good, no crack siya, no? All in good condition. Yan, available, just PM me. Burberry bag, size 22. See ya.